Hi guys, today in this video I will give you some hints and you have to guess the disease. Here you can see I have drawn a unique picture. The first hint is it is a vitamin deficiency and the second clue is Trummer field zone radiologic picture which is typically seen in this condition. The next thing you can see is easy bruising which is typically seen in lower extremities. And you can also appreciate swollen joints and typical woody leg appearance. Sometimes you can see cork-screw like hair pattern, and the most important features are hemorrhage, spongy and sore gums, and loose teeth. Now pause the video and try to guess the vitamin deficiency and comment below your answer. Now let's see what it is. Here I am talking about vitamin C deficiency. And here this picture will help you to remember some important features of vitamin C deficiency. As you know, vitamin C is necessary for hydroxylation of pro-collagen, which is eventually helps in formation of mature collagen. So vitamin C deficiency is responsible for defective collagen synthesis, which lack tensile strength and more prone to enzymatic degradation. One of the most important feature of this deficiency is scurvy. Here the scar on his face will remind you the word scurvy, which includes spongy sore gums, loose teeth and hemorrhage. You can see the corkscrew hair pattern also. The big C on his t-shirt will remind you vitamin C deficiency. Here the wooden legs indicates the typical woody leg appearance, and you can see other important features like easy bruising and swollen joints. Here the round zone on the field will remind you the typical Trummer field zone radiologic picture, which is transverse radiolucent band in the metaphysis adjacent to the Frankel line. It is also known as Scurvy line. One thing I would like to share with you guys, we have already published a series of mnemonic books to simplify your medical life. Please visit our website www.medinaz.com for more information. That's all guys. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.